Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show Christmas Spectacular videos every day until Christmas Day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the bell notification. All right, today we got a real quick snack for your Christmas party, office party, what have you. Lemon pepper cashews. All right, in a bowl we have a little bit over a cup of raw cashews. You can find these in the produce section of any decently sized grocery store. To that, I'm going to add a little bit more than a tablespoon and a quarter of olive oil. And then about a half a teaspoon, a little bit more of garlic powder. And then about a teaspoon and a half of lemon pepper. Follow that up with a nice big pinch of kosher salt. And then some freshly ground black pepper. Then you want to grab a spoon, give these a stir around, and then just start tossing them around in the bowl. And you want to do this until everything is evenly coated, about 90 seconds. Then you want to heat up an air fryer to 350 degrees. And then I kind of made a little basket out of aluminum foil. And then you want to pop these in your air fryer and then fry for 7 minutes. 3 minutes and 50 seconds into the fry, about halfway through. You want to take them out, toss them around, give them a flip, and then fry for the remaining 3.5 minutes. All right, and then after that's done, just place them in a bowl, and that's it. Lemon pepper cashews. Done.